The burner's blazing, the view's amazing. Right now, no turbulence inside. But what if we're not right? I've got the hiccups from hell. The hiccups from hell. And as long as I keep feeding the thoughts that keep repeating, I'll just continue needing them gone. 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 I come with flowers and hours of passionate hours, devour my need to even move, but the groove won't soothe my unrelenting need to cast an anxious spell. I start the morning adoring her, never ignoring her, pouring my heart out on a sleeve. Then I leave and I breathe, and something reminds me of the times we didn't click so well. I've got the hiccups from hell, stuck in Hiccups Hotel. And as long as I keep feeding the thoughts that keep repeating, I'll just continue leading me on. Something's landed. I make a joke that I'm broken, I'm addicted to coke, and I'm smoking the crank at every turn. But I burn when I learn she don't find that funny, and suddenly I'm quick to dwell. I've got the hiccups.
What if he's not? What if he's not right?
Got my mind
What if he's not right in the head?
and as long as I keep feeding the thoughts that keep depleting, the hope that slowly receded to gray, they'll never fade away, and I'll be taking every day for granted. For granted. Something's landed. Oh,
Something's landed.
I'm stumbling, fumbling, tripping and tumbling down. I'm under its spell. I'm under its spell.
Something's landed.
I've tried to let cry, but I can't even hide my shell. Can't you tell? Oh no, got the hiccups
Hiccup,
from hell.
hiccup,
Hell,
hiccup,
hell.
hiccup. And as long
What if
as
we're
I
not-
keep feeding
Not right,
the
thoughts that keep repeating.